September is National Preparedness Month, and we at AEP Texas want you to be prepared. I'm Luke Roberson, AEP Texas External Affairs Manager for Abilene. And this month, we're sitting down with people in AEP Texas communities to discuss how to be better prepared.
Preparedness is ensuring that we are aware of our threats and hazards here to ensure that we know what to do when disaster strikes. And as part of building your plan, include a self-assessment for individual needs. That includes knowing where you'd go in the event of an emergency, knowing how to communicate with people in your plan to let them know that you're safe, knowing where you'd meet up, knowing what to do for your pets, knowing what to do and making those plans ahead of time. So it's reviewing those plans and exercising.
West Texas, you're seeing a lot of this grass, that fine, flashy fuels growing. So usually what encompasses a good wet year is usually a dry year. So we're kind of looking historically kind of what that's going to look like next year. Now's a good time, homeowners, landowners need to be looking at knocking down this grass, getting this stuff away from your house, just looking out ahead of what is going to happen for Texas. Because Texas is not really used to wet seasons. So with that, it's going to dry out again. And that's going to be our biggest problem once it does that.
So I highly encourage folks to turn their wheel alerts on, wireless emergency alerts. Basically it comes with your phone, your ability to get those wheel alerts. You're kind of already signed up for that. And it's through the integrated public alert and warning systems. A lot of folks can go and turn those things off just because of maybe warning fatigue or alert fatigue, but I highly encourage folks to turn those alerts on, especially when you're maybe traveling or don't have access to the local mass notification systems.